Hi guys! Welcome back to the Chef on Two Wheels. Ngayong araw na to, i-review natin itong Parani Motorcycle Bluetooth M10 by Sena. So price nito sa Australia nabili ko is $109. So should be a budget model by Sena. Parani. So sinasabi dito pwede siya mag-connect siya 4-way via Bluetooth. Up to 1 kilometer ang layo. Meron siyang LCD display. So makikita mo yung battery low niya or battery or kung anong mode ka nasan. Meron siyang voice prompt. Meron siyang noise control. FM radio, which is really good. Meron siyang upgradable firmware. Pwede natin i-update siya. Madali siya update. So, buksan natin to. May bago. So, there it is. The Parani. It's so small, and it's so light. Parani. Tignan na muna natin kung ano pa yung laman ng box. So, sa loob ng box, meron siyang user's guide. And inside this plastic, there is meron siyang yung may adhesive na kabitan para sa helmet. Hindi ko gagamitin to. Meron siyang adhesive para sa earpiece. 2 pieces. And foam for the microphone. Which is good. Meron siyang clip para sa helmet. Pwede siya ikabit sa helmet via clip. That I will use. USB charger to ano to? Charger, firmware, pang firmware upgrade din. C cable. USB-C. Nice. And meron siyang earpiece with the one side has the microphone on it. Ano ba? Hindi siya natatanggal na microphone. So, meron siyang boom na microphone. I think this is for the right side, right earpiece. Tama ba? Mukhang. And another earpiece here, which is good. Untangle natin siya. What side is it? It's made of plastic. Boom. And meron siyang ano ba to? Dito yung kinakabit yung unit. So nice. Let's try it out. Okay. Testing. Let's turn it on. So press natin yung jog and yung multifunction button.
Hello. Phone pairing.
Phone pairing. There you go. So makikita natin sa Bluetooth Parani M10 version 1.0.2. Let's click on it. connected.
Your
Ready.
headset is paired.
Nice. Okay, let's see. Maybe let's play something via my YouTube.
That's the plane over there.
Nice. You know. Nice. Okay, it's pretty good. So I can stop it. So I can do maps as well. If I get directions.
Towards Denver Terrace.
Nice. So definitely pwede mag-phone calls. See if I can do a phone call later. Let's try to call somebody.
Speed dial. Last number redial. Speed dial 1.
Hello? Naririnig mo ba ako? Malinaw? Nice. Ay, ginagamit ko yung bagong Sena Parani Intercom. Okay. So wheel, so jog. Okay, volume down. So volume down. Volume up if we do it counterclockwise. Nice. Not bad. So in battery, make it in battery. It's connected to the phone. Has music. Nice. It's so light. Very nice. So dito yung kinakabit yung charger and firmware upgrade, which is good. Looks pretty decent. Looks well built. Very nice. So ikabit lang muna natin sa helmet. Testingin natin. Turn it off.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. This one. Side. Paano nga pala kinabit? So yung clip lang. Clinip ko lang siya sa side. And then nasok ko yung headphone. Yung speakers here. Naglagay na muna ng sticker. Tapos connected siya via Velcro. Tapos linagay ko yung mic. Nandito yung microphone niya. And then yung kabilang wire, dinaan ko sa likod, sa back ng head. And then it's connected to the other side for the other ear. Since sa kabilang side yung microphone ko for yung GoPro. Dito yung mic for the Sena. There you go. So ikabit natin.
Hello. Phone pairing. Your headset is paired.
It's paired. Let's try the modes.
FM on.
So
4.7.
it's got a radio. So when you change the radio settings, like another channel, just press while holding it up or down.
103.9. 103.1.
So just while pressing, you have to do it together at the same time. While pressing the jog button and turning it up or down. How to stop it. Mode. FM off. Nice. Very nice. Say may voice prompt, nalalaman mo kung ano na nangyayari na. Which is good. So it's still paired with my music, phone. And pwede din siya mag-pair sa iba pang Parani. So probably just press this for about 3 seconds, 2 seconds. And it will go in.
Intercom pairing.
So it will look for another intercom. So you can pair it with another Parani. I really don't know. Because what I've heard, you can only use it with another Parani. So naghahanap siya ng pairing. So pwede siya mag-pair sa iba pang intercom. So which is good, up to 1 kilometer distance. Sa settings, pwede siya maglagay ng speed dial kung sinong gusto mong tawagan. Kaya naka-speed dial 1 or like speed dial 2, speed dial 3. So pwede ka mag-speed dial. Or kung sino yung last na tinawagan mo or tinawagan ka. Pwede siyang last call. So I think sa settings, pwede siya baguhin. So just press the mode button. So pwede din siya mag-pair galing doon.
Configuration menu.
There you go, configuration menu.
Speed dial.
So speed dial, pwede siya baguhin doon.
Voice prompt. Disabled. Delete all pairings. Voice prompt. Enabled.
There you go, enabled. Gusto ko yung voice.
Speed dial. Exit configuration.
Nice. Speed dial.
Speed dial 1.
So speed dial 1, pwede yung baguhin.
Phone connected.
Nice.
Speed dial 2. Speed dial 3.
Nice.
Cancelled. Speed dial 1. Cancelled.
So pwede kang mag-speed dial kung sino gusto mong tawagan. So based what I'm hearing, hindi naman siya ganun ka-bassy. So medyo ma-mids. Which is good. So maririnig mo siya. So nakakatanggap ka ng tawag. Nakakapakinig ka ng radio or yung music mo galing sa phone. All in all, verdict, probably one of the really good budget-friendly, intercom for the motorbike, for a motorcycle helmet. So you won't break the bank, sa halagang $109. Thumbs up. And hindi siya ganun kalaki. Hindi siya ganun ka-bulky. So that's the Parani M10 by Sena. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up and like, subscribe.
Goodbye.
Paalam!